Good morning. Let's do a temp check. Sad it only got like down to 32. Sad.
Good morning, friends. Today's video, I want to do a cold weather video. Last video, we just finished a 1,300 mile trek. Tonight, the 10th day of my trip, is gonna get into the 30s here in Rangeley, Maine. I guess this is gonna be like a hot and cold weather video because I bought this at a fishing store and it says it's 82 degrees right now. So 80 down to 30, that'll be a 50-degree swing if we get it, and hopefully down into the 20s. And we will be camping very close to Canada. So I also have some cool, fun food for us to cook up tonight. Yeah, I'm just traveling, and I was here the other day. I love that you guys have breakfast all day. That's awesome.
Yeah, was it fun?
Maybe an outdoor like thermometer. Hey, nice truck.
Thanks, man. You too.
I like that. I'm doing the backcountry discovery route. It's my day, like day 9, and sleeping
sick,
in it.
yeah?
Yeah. Check the back. Yeah, I love this thing. I think I'm in Aquasock. Moose. I'm glad I didn't moose him. And I think if I go down this little road that's maybe only like 10 miles away, I could get another 700 feet higher in elevation, and that'll make it like hopefully colder tonight. I'm really hoping it gets down into like the high 20s tonight. Also, as you guys saw, I had the doors open like all day on this, but now it's 3 o'clock and the bugs are coming out. So it's a good time to go exploring in the truck. Okay, sweet. We found an awesome spot. We're at 2,500 feet elevation and we're only 2 miles from Canada. So that's super cool. There were some really good views coming up and a really huge road closure. Also, the hunt for cold is going good because we're already down to 72 degrees. Still super sunny for now and beautiful. I really love Maine. Truck looks so good in Maine. Hopefully it gets down to like 30. 25. 25 would be perfect. There was some big wind just now.
I wonder what this is. This is across the street. It's a little trail. You think we might see some moose? Hopefully we see some moose. We could like hike towards Canada.
Well, this is sweet. I'm in some sort of like Christmas tree farm or like tree farm where the trees are like little trees are growing amongst the big trees. Sweet. Got the mountains, got the clouds. Freaking awesome day in Maine. I love Maine. From 82 degrees this morning to hopefully like 20 something degrees tonight, but we'll see. The truck is nice and level. That was pretty easy. And yogurt for lunch. Okay, I put on some more layers because it's gonna get cold tonight, hopefully. Let's make dinner soon, but first let's check this temperature to see what that says. We're down to 58, so that's cool. It's in the shade, so, but soon, once it's down, we'll all be in the shade. Tonight's dinner will be ground bison burgers because we're close to Canada, and I was at this eclectic little grocery store and they had this and I thought that was cool. And then I drove through Vermont to get here and they have good cheese, so I thought this would be a nice combo for some burgers. I have no idea how bison is gonna taste, but we'll see. Should be pretty good. Now we got the toaster oven heating up. Wow, these look so good. All right, I don't think I've ever eaten, what is this, bison? I don't think I've ever eaten bison. All right, first bite. It's good. It tastes like Christmas. Why does it taste like Christmas? I've never eaten bison. It's not like my family made bison at Christmas. It's got a Christmassy taste. Second one. Man, this is great. Sleeping so close to Canada, eating bison, out in the Maine wilderness. I love Maine so much. Maine makes me so happy. Maine has to be my favorite state to traverse. The North Maine woods are private land that you're allowed to be on. They have moose, which is super cool. They have massive tree like removal and stuff and crazy big equipment and 18 wheelers that come through the woods stacked up, packed up with massive amounts of wood, even in the winter, in the dead of winter when these roads are completely snowy, crazy ice. 18 wheelers, it's crazy. The state is covered in forest, like whatever, some crazy large amount, which is super rare. It's crazy remote. Like it has so many rare, unique, like enchantment qualities that I just love it so much. I hope we see another moose. But if we don't, one moose a trip is plenty. It's beautiful out. It's about 50, 51 something. Not bad. The things I love about winter camping are, of course, things like no bugs and a lot less people and usually snow. It's mostly the concentration and focus it takes. In the winter, camping is way more extreme and you need to like be on the ball with all the different things so that you don't die. You know, it's like I don't actually want to be in so much danger, but I just want to be in at least the illusion or a little bit of danger. So it's like, it's fun. Tonight will be fine. So tonight I'm not using a heater or anything, and I'm not using, I'm just gonna have these jackets. I have no base layer. It's just gonna be in the 20s. And I don't ever use sleeping bags. I don't ever use sleeping bags. Sleeping bags are terrible. The sun is officially over the ridge, and it's gonna get cold. Super cozy, making cookies, gonna watch a movie, and then we will check back in for like a temperature update, like in the middle of the night at some point.
Canada, almost made it. All right, meow. Wait. I'm sorry. Are you saying meow? Am I saying meow?
So you have one blanket over your head, and you can pull it nice down over your eyes, and then you're good like this. And then you have a second blanket here. This is one blanket, I just have it doubled up. But this is a fake wool blanket, and this is a pretty thick blanket. But really, you don't need this blanket to be too thick. This is way better than like a hat. A hat I can never wear all the way overnight. It's way better than any kind of sleeping bag or whatnot. So this is all I really use, the 2 blanket method, if it's like above 20 degrees. If I'm gonna be in the truck below 20 and it's like a bunch of nights, then I will just use this and then a heating blanket under me. But that's really it. Let's check the temperature and then we will go to sleep. 44? Yeah, 45. Good morning. Let's do a temp check. Sad it only got like down to 32. Sad.